Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial you will learn how to check your agenda in Microsoft Teams, view your assignments and turn them in easily. First, on your desktop, open Microsoft Teams. To check your class, go to the Teams page. In most cases, the Teams page will appear directly once you open Microsoft Teams. If not, just click on Teams in the left menu to see all the classes you are added to. Here, for example, you are added to the Grade 7 Math class. Let's click on it to open the class. You can find the handouts in the Files tab of the General channel. Let's click on Files. As you can see, there are many files uploaded here, all accessible to you. To check what's inside, simply click on the file. Here inside the folder you have a Word document. You can either open it online or download it. If you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you sign in with your credentials to view it online. Just add your school email and the password provided by your school to sign in. The Word document is now open online and you can only view it. When you're done, just close the page and you'll return to the Teams page. To download the document or any file you need, click on the three dots and choose Download. The document will then appear in the Downloads folder on your desktop. To check other files, click on General to go back. Now, click on the Assignments tab in the left sidebar to check if the teacher has assigned anything in this class. As you see, there are no upcoming assignments here. One last thing. In the General tab you can find Posts. Here you can see chats or other posts from the teacher and all students in this team. Let's go back to all teams. On this page you can see all your class teams. Let's open the Agenda and Assignments teams. As we saw in the Math class, you can find all the required files and documents in the Files section under the General tab, and you can also find the assignments there. Under the Files tab you can see, for example, class photos. Click on them to open. Either view them online or download them. By clicking on the photo you can only view it online. Click on Close to go back. Now, let's go to the Assignments tab to check your tasks. Here, you can see that you have a math assignment, a science assignment, and a science quiz, and each assignment is set to a due date. Let's take the math assignment. Click to open it. Now read the instructions for the assignment. To submit your assignment you have two options. Either prepare your document on your desktop and upload it, or work online directly in the provided space. If you choose to upload, click on Attach, select Upload from this device, and choose your file. If you prefer to work online, click on New, select Word for example, type the assignment title, add your name and click Done. Now, your document appears under My Work. Click on it to open and continue working. Type your work directly in the Word document. Once you're done, close it. Your changes will be saved automatically. After finishing or uploading your work, you need to click Turn In to submit the assignment. If you need to make any changes, you can undo the submission by clicking on Undo Turn In. Reopen the same document, make the necessary changes, and they will be saved automatically. Once you're done, click on Turn In again. Now, go back to the Assignments page and select the other assignment to review it. Click on the Sciences assignment. Read the instructions carefully. You'll notice that the teacher has already attached a document for you. Click on the attached document to open it. Here, you can type your answer directly in the attached document. When you finish, close it. Your work will be saved automatically. Finally, don't forget to click Turn In to submit your assignment. Now, go back to the assignments page and open the last assignment. It's a quiz. When it's a quiz, Teams will direct you to another page where you can answer the questions. The quiz will be graded and you can check your grade after submitting it. Click on it to open the quiz. Take the quiz and answer all the questions. After completing the quiz, take a moment to review your answers. Once ready, click on Submit to finalize. Your score will appear immediately after you submit. Your score will appear immediately after you submit. You can also click on View Results to check your mistakes. Close it when you finish and go back to the assignments page. Here you can see that you have no more upcoming assignments. Next, let's move to the announcements section to see how to read them. Under the channels, you'll find the general posts and the announcements. If you can't see them, click on Hidden Channels to display them. Now click on Announcements. In this section, you can view all the announcements shared by your teachers or the administration. For more video tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.